This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable location sharing in the 360 Secure browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the 360 Secure browser opened up now. To enable or disable location sharing in the browser, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, under the Privacy and Security section, you want to click on Site Settings. Then you'll scroll down to the Permissions section, and right up top here, Location. I'm going to click on Location. Ask before accessing recommended. By default, location sharing is turned on. If you want to disable location sharing, toggle this off right here. Now it says blocked. That is how to enable or disable location sharing in the 360 Secure browser. Thanks for watching.